Yo, Adams, what's good? What's good? Checking in early. That's popping in another day, another time to get the dollar. Alright, so today we're gonna kick things off with some tricep. Later on, we got some back workout. So we're gonna kick things off today with 20 pull-ups. Then we're gonna do some skull crushers, triceps. All right. So everyone checking in. We're gonna start things off today with some tricep workout. Later on, we got some back workout. All right. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button as soon as you join. Wait for some more people to check in. Not even gonna wait either. It's gonna start at the same time. One more set. Alright, so that's 28. Let's kick things off here. Make sure we're plugging back the phone. Get some more energy. Hit that like button as soon as you check in. Let's try to get 10 likes off the rip. Smash that thumbs up button. Alright, appreciate everyone checking in. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Everyone join in. Trying to get 10 likes. Help us get to 10 likes. Hit that like button. Beautiful day, some cool breeze blowing. Yeah, best way to start off, man. Ah! Damn, we're getting strong over here. Little by little. That's 30 reps, right? That's new. It's actually 30 reps, right? Definitely new. No way we got people watching. Not even hitting that thumbs up button. Let's help us get the 10 likes off the rip. Remember, you have to hit that like button, man. Show some appreciation. If you want to support, hit that like button. If you can send a super chat, send a super chat. Hey, yo, Stu, what's good? Smash that like button, bro. There's no way you're watching. No way you're watching and haven't hit that thumbs up yet. Smash that thumbs up button. If you're brand new, subscribe. I should join UFC. Maybe one day. Hit that like button. You guys witnessing it live on the stream. Witnessing we hitting PRs and getting stronger daily. More and more. Help us get 10 likes off the rip. Hit that like button. Whoa. Wait, who that? Yo, who that? Yo, appreciate it. Thank you. Shout out to who that, I guess. That's a Jamaican name right there though. Who that? Well anyway, drop a W for who that for me in the chat, people. Show some appreciation. Appreciate it. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. You're the best. Appreciate y'all, man. I'm just here to motivate. Share the journey. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Appreciate it once more. Alright guys, drop a W in the chat for, I guess, who that. Drop a comment, guys. Let me know where you're watching from. You already know. So we do it. If you're brand new, drop a comment. Drop a country flag. Let me know where you're watching from. Going for 20 years. Whoa. You. All right. Let's get the second set real quick. Not even gonna take much rest here. Everyone watching, brand new to the channel, hit that like button, smash that thumbs up button, alright? Show some support, man. You can send a super chat, send a super chat. Appreciate everyone joining. I'm gonna check the chat, see what's going on here. Texas, United States, right? Sweden. 58 years old white female. Okay, okay. Appreciate you. Hey, who that? Where you from? You know you don't need a fancy gym for you to do this and stay healthy. Oh, USA. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate y'all so much, man. Appreciate it. Yeah. Let's keep going. It's just all motivation by the end of the day. You know, why we share the journey with you guys every day, man. It's our motivation. Hello from California, USA. So we got Gabby. Gabby still here? All right. If you stay tuned till February, we might just link up. You never know. So just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell. All right. I'll be in Kingston from the 7th. It'll be a pleasure. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right. Yo, Brad, what's good? Chicago. Appreciate you all. Don't forget to hit that like button. All right. Hit that like button. If you can send a super chat, send a super chat. I greatly appreciate it. Let's get this morning. Let's get 20 likes. Just starting off here. Appreciate you all. All right, let's finish up. Yep. It's time to add some more weight. But first, let's hit this set first. Ah! Whoa! God! Whoa! Alright, appreciate everyone jumping in. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button, help us get to 20 likes at least. Let's keep going. Now to add some more ways here. Yes. Everyone watching, remember if you have to go, or whenever you're gonna leave, check out my new videos, drop a comment on them. Alright? If you want to support, remember YouTube now got gifts like TikTok, so you can send gifts on YouTube. Or you can send a super chat, or you can just smash that thumbs up button. Already sub, thank you, appreciate that. We had a support from India. Yes, yes. I appreciate y'all being here. Welcome, welcome. All right, so Ireland. Samantha from Ireland. Appreciate you guys, man. Nine more likes for 30 likes. Can we get 30 likes? Hit that thumbs up button. So we're starting off today with some tricep workout. Then we're gonna do some back workout later on. If you guys already know, I do back workout like, or just pull-ups. I do pull-ups like I think 4 times a week, 4 or 5 times a week. So I train my back regularly. You have to have a strong back, right, for lifting heavy. If you want to lift heavy, stay focused. Let's get this money. So now we're gonna, everyone that's brand new, we're gonna strap these to the bar. This is extra weight right here. 30 plus pound extra. Alright, so hit that like button, guys. Remember, smash that thumbs up. Subscribe. Check out my daily uploads. I got a lot of new videos. Check them out. Drop a comment. Oh yeah. Everyone join. Happy holidays, man. Happy New Year when it comes. Yeah. Appreciate you guys, man. It's all motivation, right? Let's get this bread. Should I strap this at the moment? I don't think I should, you know. Don't think I should. Wait. Very cool. Love the DIY weight set. I did something similar with that one stick tube, some strap tools. Alright, so yeah, appreciate y'all being here once more, man. Appreciate it. Don't forget, we need 5 more for 30 likes. Hit that like button. Help us to get 30 likes and beyond. Alright, smash that thumbs up button. Yes, it's right. That's the same time. All right, so think about, we're gonna do about four sets with this one. Let's see where it takes us. So let's see where it's gonna take us. Right? Feeling higher, we're just gonna do even more than 4 sets. You never know. You never know how it's gonna go. Oh yeah. Breath of fresh air. Whoa! Yeah. That's how you get that bread. That's how we get that money daily. Every extra rep, every extra gain is what we call money. Yeah. So we get that money right there. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Let's get the 30 likes. Let's surpass 30, can we? Already. It's already 20. Awesome job. Thank you guys, appreciate it. How many kilos was that? Alright, so as soon as I start strap weights, I'm doing over, it's 100 something, I don't know what. But it's definitely over 100. As soon as I see me start hard weights, way over 100. 130, 140. Stop it. Let's keep going. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Alright guys, remember YouTube now got gifts, so you can send gifts or you can send a super chat. Anything you want to support. Or you can just hit that like button, subscribe, alright? Anyway, either way, appreciate you all being here. Happy holidays. Hope everyone is having a beautiful holiday so far. We've got New Year's coming up. Happy New Year when it hits. Appreciate y'all being here, man. Let's go. Second set. Man. Yeah. Oh, God. Full of the pants, tear up. All right. So I know we there, I do something. Yeah. Yo, Anderson, what's good, Jay? What's good? One more. When I say the over 100 pounds, I'm not talking exactly 100 pounds. I'm talking like 120, 130, 140. More likes. And then you just delete. That sound familiar. That look familiar, right? When you send message, then just delete. That look familiar. Let's get 40 likes. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe, man. Remember, if you have to go, check out my new videos. Want to support? Send a super chat or just simply hit that like button. Appreciate all the well wishes. Happy holidays to you guys also. Happy New Year when it comes. Appreciate it. Let's at least hit that like button, alright? Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, appreciate all you guys, man. Don't forget to hit that like button, all right? That like button is just by you showing support when you hit that like button. So once more, appreciate y'all being here. Happy holidays, happy New Year when it comes, man. You're on this one. Appreciate it, man. Okay. All right. Anyone watching my live stream, definitely not gonna find any excuse again, right? Definitely not gonna find any excuse not to work out. No excuse, man. Keep putting in the work. Start working today, man. Making it happen. Yeah. Let's get this money right here. Come shining true. I'm gonna say yeah. All right. Oh, God. Hit that like button, subscribe. Hear what I say? Yeah, hear what I say? Let's get this morning, chat. Let's keep working. Hit that like button. Let's get 50 likes. 50 likes on the stream. At least 50 likes. You haven't hit that thumbs up yet? What are you waiting for, man? Hit it right now. If you have to go, check out my new videos. I got a lot of new videos over there. Drop a like and comment. Yeah, let's get this money. Do you hear what I say? Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate everyone tapping in. Happy New Year to you guys as well when it comes. And happy holidays, man. Hope everyone is having a peaceful, day so far. Because I guess it's not easy to get peace no more, So hard to find peace, right? I recommend you guys try to take a break one day, get a vacation or something. I don't know, to some Caribbean island, even here in Jamaica, Try to get some peace of mind, clear the mind for a while, if it's even for a week. If it's even for 2 days, 3 days, Nothing beat peace. Let's get this cash. Hit that like button, bro. Let's get 50 likes. And beyond. Let's keep going. Up. Final set here. Whoa. Yes. That me I talk about. Right, there's something there right, that me I talk about. That me I talk about, right, All right. All right, chat. Let's add some more waves here. Turn this camera around. Make sure it's capturing everything. Come on, chat, hit that like button. Let's get 40. Let's get to 40. Help us to get to 40 likes. Can we get 40 likes? Hit that thumbs up button. I mean 50. 50. 50 and beyond. Help us to get 50 and beyond. Thumbs. Hit that like button. Whoa. This right here. Don't you? How you wanna? I me say, yeah. Put on the strap for that one. Put it again, right this one. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Put on that strap at the same time. Get this strap together. Time for some work again. So we're doing 2 sets with this one, chat. Get this spread, alright? Everyone tuning in. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe. What the hell was that, man? What the hell was that? Oh, yeah. I'm supposed to get 60. Alright, guys, please help us to get 60 likes. Hit that thumbs up button. Help us get to 60. You have hit that thumbs up already? Smash it right now. Let's get it. Yes, sir. How much I charge for a gym membership? It's free of cost, man. The only thing you need to join is just discipline. At least some motivation. Four more for 60. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe. Want to support? Send us a super chat or just hit that like button. If you want to become a member, we got a link in the description. Become a member today. Let's get this money. Whoa! Ah! Whoop! Yeah. Ah! Oh, that's some money right there. Hit that like button. Subscribe today. Remember, check out my new videos. I got a lot of new videos. Check them out, alright? Show us some support, man. Drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from right now. Get it. No excuses. That is it right there. Happy holidays. Happy New Year when it comes to y'all, man. Appreciate you guys being here. by the end of the day, you know that health and fitness is what draws us together, right? Gotta respect people with similar intentions, right? Like-minded. Respect the hard work. All right, man. So, subscribe, man. Hit that like button. We're trying to get 100 likes on the stream, so smash that thumbs up. Help us get 100 likes, all right? Hit that like button, chat. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, yeah. What the heck? I don't know where. All right, appreciate it. No, let's get 70. Hit that like button. All right, chat. Let's get this money. Now we're gonna do some pull-ups here. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. So, all right, we can send a super chat. I'd be greatly appreciated. Remember, you can now send gifts on YouTube, live streams like TikTok. So if you want to support, send us a super chat, or you can send a gift. All right, that's all. Yeah. All right, smash that like button, man. So we start off with some tricep workout. I can spell it wrong, but me get what my try to say. Yeah, I say. Hey, yo, what's good? What's good, chat? Let's get this money. All right, chat. Happy New Year to y'all, man. What do you super chat? $100? Super chat is right there. You should see it. You know, you should see the super chat right there. All right. Respect to African brothers from China. The Freeman Project. Respect. Thank you so much. Shout out to the Freeman Project. Hey, yo. Appreciate it, man. Where you from? From Jamaica. All right, so yeah, so happy New Year to y'all when it comes. Yeah, man, stay focused, keep working, right? Happy holidays to you all. So yes, if you guys wanna send super chat, show some support. Yeah, man, feel free. I already know. You can just hit that like button. Let's get a 70 likes, going to 100. Smash that like button and subscribe. Check out my new videos also, alright? Yo, Garrett, what's good? What's good? Shout out from Italy. Yo, what's good, man? He said natty. Alright, let's get this money. Alright, who wanna give me a challenge? Push up number. Wait. So I've been working out for a while, so please don't give me 30. I don't know. Please don't give me 30, because I don't know if I can hit 30 right now, straight, like in one set. But just give me a number and give us a super chat for the number. What about that? Anyone want to give us a challenge for pull-ups? Alright, 25 don't sound too bad, but alright, so we're doing it for a super chat. So anyone want to donate a super chat for the challenge, just drop a challenge and let me know. Hey Garrett, thank you so much for subscribing, man. Appreciate that. Welcome to the channel, man. Yeah, so once more happy New Year to you guys when it comes. Happy holidays, man. One more like for 70. We're trying to get 100 likes here. You said 30 then. Is that Christabel just subscribe? Thank you, appreciate that. He said 1,000. You guys are trolling, man. All right, no one want to send a super chat. Let me try hit at least more than 23 reps. All right, send us. Whoa. All right, how do you pronounce this? Is that duck? Or I don't know. Shout out to, I don't know if I pronounce it right, man. Is it duck or duck? But huge respect, man. Or duck. Huge respect. D-O-K. Huge respect. Shout out to you, man. Respect. can you show us your house? You really wanna see my house? I'm gonna drop a video with my house soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. I'll drop a video with that soon, all right? But not right now, though, unfortunately. All right, so if I hit over 23, can someone drop a super chat? Drop a super chat. Let me try to get over 23 here. Ah, God. Let me can't get this on, man. Ready again. Ready again. All right, let's get this money. Ah. Remember, we've been doing some tricep workout, man, so I'm a bit tired right now. But I'll take that. How much was that? Was that 25 or 26? I'll work with that still. Alright, chat. I think that's alright. It's 25? Nice, thank you. Alright, appreciate that. So, no steroids. I'm natural as can be. Hey, Dev Games. Thank you for the sub. If you already sub, appreciate it. Alright, guys, let's get 80 likes. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Subscribe, bro. And I'm checking the chat. See everyone's name in the chat right here. So go check out my new videos, my full videos, and comment on them. I see the name right here, because we're definitely gonna give someone something for the new year. So check my new videos, drop a comment, and drop a like over there, alright? Appreciate y'all for the support. He said all natty. So Chani, appreciate the sub, man. Thank you. Alright, anyone can drop a super chat. We did 25 reps right there. No super chat? Drop a super chat, man. Or just hit that like button. Let's go. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah. Alright, chat. I'm so going to know. Let's keep going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes I am. Yes I am. So it's alright, we got 80 likes. Thank y'all for 80 likes. Wait, you said 25 push-ups? So if I do 25 push-ups, they're gonna send a super chat. Let me know. Let me know real quick. Hello, Happy New Year from Poland. Hey, Happy New Year to you, man. I know you guys are hours ahead. So, I mean, it's just 4:40 p.m. out here in Jamaica. So, from Guatemala, greetings from Guatemala. Yo, respect, man. Appreciate y'all being here, man. Good question. Calories intake. Calories. I'll be honest with you, I barely count calories daily, but I just recommend eating a lot of easy food to digest, like a lot of rice, red meat, beef, stuff like that. I barely even eat eggs, to be honest. We got a egg shortage in Jamaica right now too, so that make it even worse. Yeah, Adam's channel, I see you. All right. Yeah, I don't check calories, and be honest, but I try to just be strict with the number of meals, because my loyal viewers, I remember I used to eat like 1 meal a day. It was 1 meal a day, and the gains was still crazy, because by the end of the day it's all about, it's not all about just meal. Meal is important, yes, but you have to be putting in that work, man, and getting some rest. Barely even getting rest nowadays, man. So, but all right, guys, appreciate y'all being here, man. Can we get a super chatter now? Can someone send us a super chat? All right, 9 more likes or 90. Let's get to 90 likes. I'm supposed to get to 90 likes. Oh yeah. We're supposed to get to 90 likes. Smash that like button. Yeah. How much you think I'm lifting? When you said lifting, what are you talking about? This is 66 pounds or more. I'm gonna strap them together. One is 30 odd pound, about 33 something pound. So we're gonna strap them together, strap them to my waist. Try to get at least 4 sets with them pull-ups. So just stick around, all right? Hit that like button. We're trying to get to 90 here. That is Mail. Welcome to the live stream. All right. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. I don't think you're from Jamaica and asking that question. There's no way anyone from Jamaica gonna ask that question. Hey, if I think you're from Jamaica and if I think you should come back, I don't think you're Jamaican, man. In my opinion, this is one of the best places on earth, especially in the country area where I don't have to worry about, about the bills or nothing like that, or about pollution in the atmosphere. Fresh oxygen, peace of mind. I mean, there's always gonna be, temptations, but one of the best places on earth, to be honest. Let's get this one. So it's all about discipline and the mindset, All right, so don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get this money. I'm doing about 3 to 4 sets with this one. Let's go. Oh yeah. 3 more sets, chat. Hit that like button. Let's get to 90. Straight to 100, alright? Smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Yeah. First set, 7. That wasn't too bad. Two. Thing ya shift, you know. Watch them thing ya. Remember, you can support. Send us a super chat, a gift. I get it simply. Hit that like button. You'll be supporting the channel. Let's go. One more set. Keep going. You want to support? Send us a super chat. I can just simply hit that like button. All right, I can send a gift. Let's get this cash. Easy money right there. This is how you build your back. If you want to do calisthenics, always remember to strap extra weight to your body. That's how you build strength. Key to building strength. And a crazy physique. Don't expect to get a crazy physique if you're not working out crazy. All right, 5 more. 5 more for 90. Hit that like button, come on. If you're inspired, hit that like button, smash that thumbs up. We need 5 more for 90. We've been streaming now for over an hour, and we only have 85 likes. I don't know, that's not inspiring for me, man. Not inspiring for us at all. Hit that like button, man. Appreciate it. 100 likes. All right, appreciate that. Because I mean, I think we're doing some work here, man. I think, right? I think we're doing some work. I think we deserve, at least that thumbs up, right? So we're training the back. See how this thing is right now? If you can do pull-ups at least 3 to 4 times a week, trust me, that's how you're gonna build the back. See that? We even have miles to go. Can we get a super chat, anyone? Send us a super chat if you want to support. Or you can just simply hit that like button. Remember to go check out my new videos. Support over there. Drop a comment over there. Hit that like button. Let's get this cash. And let's drop a higher into this. First time watching the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, chat. Appreciate everyone tuning in. First time over here, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching the live stream from. Let me know which country you're from. You want to support, you can send a super chat get a shout out, or you can just simply hit that like button. Simply hit that like button, man. Subscribe. It's at Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. Your huge big ups, man. Appreciate you, man, Mr. UFO. Happy New Year's to you, man, as well. It's I think it's after. It's almost 5 p.m. out here, so it's not New Year for us yet. But Happy New Year's to you, man, and hope everyone is having a beautiful holiday so far. Appreciate everyone that subscribed today. Yeah, appreciate all the new audience and current supporters, long time supporters. Appreciate you all, man. Hello from Utah. Respect. Yo, Dean, what's good? Appreciate everyone being here as usual, man. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you can send us a super chat, or send a gift or support. Or you can just simply hit that like button. I have to keep on reminding my loyal viewers. They said I should remind them at all time. Sometimes, you might be just watching the stream, you don't really remember to smash that thumbs up button. So that's why I'm reminding you. Hit that like button. Definitely helps out a lot. Let's get this money. A lot of people join my stream, so they want to see my house. But we're gonna definitely drop a video soon with that. Some vlog. Definitely dropping a video in the future. So just make sure you all subscribe, man. Stay tuned. Hit that bell as well. Stay tuned for daily uploads. Remember, check out my new videos. Drop a comment over there. Subscribe. Samantha McConnell from Ireland. Appreciate you being here. Love from Florida. You're off Caribbean. Yo, welcome, man. Welcome. Easy money. So that was warming up right here. Easy warm up. Ready again. What gives you the strength to do this every day? It's not all about the strength either. It's just the motivation. You know, it become a habit like from a few years ago, because we've been working on it now for almost 8 years now. So it's just the love, man, and the discipline now, because we over the years we get to build that discipline and know that no matter the feeling, because sometimes you're not gonna like feel normal, like strong, you know, all the time. Sometimes you're gonna feel weak, or you're gonna have maybe a little doubt, you know. That's why it's important, you know, I guess, to build that discipline and that self-motivation, so you can just show up no matter the weather or the feeling. Keep showing up and just do what you have to do, right? So again, it's just time. You know, just time. So just keep working and build that mental state, you know. So it's just a love. Right now, it's just a love that we have for it, and the respect and the discipline, everything, for working out. So I don't really see myself doing anything else. Always a good feeling when I can get up, or when I can lift, or just work out. It's always a good feeling. So yeah, man, take a while to build that discipline, but it's all discipline and self-motivation. Sometimes you're gonna have to bully yourself, push yourself. Because to be honest, I got no one pushing me, you know. But I'm here for you guys that watch my live stream. So, you know, so if you need that extra motivation and that extra push, I'm here. Because as you can see, I'm working out with like homemade weights, right? Stuff in my environment. And most of you guys, some of you guys got gym memberships, or can't afford gym membership. You still find an excuse. You guys, you know, you got your hand on your foot, and you still don't even want to do push-ups. So as I said, that's why I'm here, to motivate, at least try to motivate some of you guys and inspire, you know. So smash that like button subscribe. It's as simple as that. Lost your partner 19 years ago. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that though. Yes, I am. Let's keep working. See, we cruising now because we passed that horror mark a long time. The most intense part was the tricep workout. So you guys see, we always try to lift as heavy as we can. All right, let's get it. So this right here is not really that heavy, but it's just something, I guess, to just go by the number. Let's go with some high reps. Then you're gonna really feel that I'm intense. So the more number we do, the more tension, right? So that's the purpose for this one right here. All right, let's get this morning. Perfect for warm up. Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Can we get a super chat? You want to support? Send us a super chat, a gift, or just simply hit that thumbs up button. All right. Thank you, appreciate it. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Yo, smash that like button, subscribe, man. You know we've been doing the dirt, right? Been doing it. There's nothing wrong with working out in shorts. You get a lot of people, especially if they do a lot if they got good quads and they want to show it off. A lot of people work out in shorts, so nothing wrong with that. As long as you're not exposing what I'm not supposed to expose, right? Yeah. So I'm here just, as I said, this is not really much. It's just it's about 100 and, the headed weight is about 100 and make it about 150. You know, I got something that I weigh them with, so I have to weigh some more of them later on. So it's nothing really heavy right now. We're just doing numbers. You want to see us lift heavy? Join this live stream tomorrow. All right. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Oh yes. All right, let's strap the back and go again. Ten is that magical number. Whoa. All right. Yes, I am. Appreciate everyone tuning in today. So happy New Year's for everyone that's celebrating New Year already. And you know, and to everyone in advance, happy New Year, man. We've won a beautiful holiday. What time tomorrow? Streaming tomorrow about I don't know what time it is for you guys, but for me, I try to stream at least 3 p.m. 3 p.m. daily in Jamaica time. So once more, appreciate y'all. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe. For all the new subscribers, appreciate it as well. And keep working. Stay focused, all right? Get y'all another one. Peace out. Love y'all.